Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. This is a little bit of an April Fool's video. So on April Fool's, DBrand launched the AirPower skin, even though AirPower was canceled the Friday before. So they started selling AirPower skins for $4.01. If you don't know, like the internet error code 401 means not found, so $4.01, no AirPower, but they made a skin for it. So this is kind of a pointless skin, but I got this for like $9 with shipping. They sent a DBrand microfiber cloth, and then here is the skin. It has this sticky note on it with, looks like a hand sketched little image there with 128 in the corner. So let's see, there is the AirPower skin right there. I don't know if they had started making these prior to the cancellation of AirPower, because this does actually look like it would have fit the product. It does have the lightning cutout right there on the back. It's got the edges of the AirPower as well. So it's actually a perfect cutout for what AirPower would have been. And then there is this little card in here. They send it in this nice little plastic envelope kind of thing. So it just shows you purchase, delivered, apply, dbrand.com/how. Obviously, we're not going to watch that, but if you go to DBrand, DBrand's website, they do actually have a pretty funny video on how to apply your AirPower skin. So if you order an AirPower skin, I don't know if they're still for sale or not, but that is what you get. Also kind of funny, they put one single packing peanut in the envelope, which I thought was pretty funny. If you guys don't know DBrand, they like to joke around. They're pretty funny on their Twitter and website and stuff like that. So they send some pretty cool stuff with your order, some random stuff. But that is the DBrand AirPower skin. Obviously, I'm not going to apply it to anything because AirPower doesn't exist. But maybe we'll find a use for this. Maybe we'll cut it or something and find a use for it. But right now, I'm just going to save it like that and find something for it. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.